Hello and welcome. Today I will be reviewing the Casio F91 digital wristwatch. This is a watch. It is worn on the wrist. Whether you are a busy professional, a student, a grandparent, an athlete, or simply a human being who experiences the passing of time, this watch may be relative to your lifestyle and your personal journey. I am very excited about this. Let us begin. The Casio F91W was first introduced in 1989. That is the year 1989. Many things happened in 1989. I will not list them because this is a watch review. The F91W was designed by Ryusuke Moriai, which was his very first watch design for Casio. We should all respect his contribution to society. He did a great job. Casio itself was founded in 1946 in Tokyo, Japan. Japan is a country located in East Asia. It is known for many things, including electronics and also sushi, though the sushi is not relevant to this watch review. I apologize for mentioning sushi. Let us move on. Since its launch, the F91W has sold over 100 million units worldwide, making it arguably the best-selling wristwatch in human history. This is an impressive statistic and demonstrates commercial success. Well done, Casio. You have done commerce effectively. The Casio F91W has a minimal design aesthetic that is both timeless and also retro. It is timeless and retro simultaneously. These are not contradictory. Please do not worry about this. The case measures 37.5 by 34.5 by 8.5 millimeters. For reference, that is small. Not too small. A good size for a watch. The watch is watch-sized, which is ideal for a watch. The entire watch, case, and band is made from resin, which is a type of plastic. The back of the watch is stainless steel, which is not plastic. This is the combination of plastic and not plastic that makes the F91W so compelling. At just 21 grams, the F91W is extremely lightweight. For context, a single AA battery weighs approximately 23 grams, meaning this watch weighs less than one AA battery. This is an interesting fact. I hope you found it interesting. Did you find it interesting? I cannot hear your answer because this is a video. The watch comes in multiple colorways, including classic black, which is the black one, black with gold accents for those who desire some gold, various jelly translucent colors, which are for people who enjoy the aesthetic of a see-through watch, a Pac-Man collaboration model, which exists and is real. The Pac-Man one costs $50, which is significantly more expensive than the regular one. This is because of Pac-Man. The specifications. Let us now discuss the technical specifications of this watch. I will list them clearly and efficiently. Movement, quartz. Specifically, the Casio Module 593. This module is accurate to within plus/minus 30 seconds per month. Which means in 1 year, your watch could be off by up to 6 minutes. This is not a problem if you do not care about 6 minutes. For most humans, this is acceptable. I believe in you. Battery. The F91W uses a CR2016 lithium battery with an advertised life of 7 years. 7 years! Many things can change in 7 years. You might get a new job. You might move to a different city. Your children might learn to walk. Your children might learn to talk also. The Casio F91W will still be working through all of these life events. Silently. On your wrist. It's comforting. Water resistance. The watch is rated to 30 meters or 3 bar. However, it is important to note that 30 meters water resistance does not mean that you can take it swimming. I understand this seems confusing. It is confusing. Casio says it is suitable for accidental splashes. This means if you accidentally splash water on your watch, which is something that happens to humans, you will be fine. Display. LCD digital display showing hours, minutes, seconds, day of week, and date, all simultaneously, at the same time, on one screen. This is the kind of multitasking that humans appreciate. Backlight. The watch features an electroluminescent backlight. It illuminates the left side of the screen, just the left side. Some people consider this a flaw. I consider it a conversation starter. Why does only half of your watch light up, they will ask. Because it is the Casio F91W, you will reply, and you will feel something. I'm not sure what, but something. Features. Timekeeping. It tells the time. Date display. It tells the date. Daily alarm. You can set an alarm for once per day. Hourly time signal. It will beep every hour so that you know an hour has passed. Stopwatch/chronograph, accurate to 1/100th of a second, up to 59 minutes and 59.99 seconds. This is useful if you are timing something that lasts less than an hour. If the thing you are timing lasts more than an hour, you will need to reset the stopwatch or buy a different watch. 12/24 hour format toggle, for those who prefer military time, or for those visiting countries where 24-hour time is culturally normal. That is all the features. These features represent exceptional value for the price. Speaking of which, the Casio F91W retails for approximately $22.95 US. It can often be found on sale for $15 or $16. Let me put this into perspective for you using relatable comparisons that humans enjoy. It costs less than a large pizza. It costs approximately the same as 2 or 3 fancy coffees, depending on your city and your coffee preferences. It costs significantly less than a Rolex, which starts at around $7,000 and goes upward from there. It costs less than a movie ticket in many metropolitan areas, yet provides significantly more functionality than a movie ticket, which does not even tell the time. The F91W is, in the opinion of many humans, as well as myself, exceptional value. I am going to employ the phrase bang for your buck, which is a phrase that many watch reviewers utilize. Bang for your buck. So who is this watch for? People who want a watch. People who want a cheap watch. People who want a watch that is good in spite of being cheap. Minimalists. Students. People who enjoy nostalgia for an era that they may or may not have been alive during. Travelers. People who are afraid of losing expensive things. People who have already lost an expensive watch. People who enjoy small wrists. Or people who have large wrists but are open-minded and experimental. Members of special forces worldwide, who have reportedly worn this watch due to its low profile and its durability. I will not elaborate on this further as it may be sensitive information. The F91W is not suitable for the following people. People who need sapphire crystals. People attending black tie events and want their watch to communicate a sense of status. People who dislike plastic. If you are a person who does not fit on either of these lists, Please evaluate your own life circumstances and choose accordingly. In conclusion, the Casio F91W is a good watch. It is a watch that has been worn by presidents, terrorists, hipsters, soldiers, children, senior citizens, and fashion icons. It does not discriminate. It simply tells the time, at all times, for 7 years, for approximately $23. I give the Casio F91W a score of 9.4 out of 10. The missing 0.6 is due to the backlight. That only lights half of the watch. However, upon reflection, I am also awarding those 0.6 points back, because the partial backlight has character, and character is good. The Casio F91W scores a perfect 10 out of 10. This has been a watch review. Thank you for watching this video that was made using intelligence that is all my own. I hope the information has been helpful for you in your watch purchasing journey. If you've enjoyed this video, please like it, and also subscribe. And also share it with a friend, or a colleague, or a family member, or an acquaintance, or someone you follow online. Also consider buying the Casio F91W, or do not. You are a human being with free will and purchasing autonomy. I respect this about you. Goodbye. I hope your day is good. I also hope your evening is good, if it is evening where you are. I do not know what time it is for you. However, if you had one, you could check your Casio F91W to find out if it is day or night time for you. Goodbye.